We back deep in the hood, out in Watts. Got Bossco Mitchell. Go check out his channel. Yep. Let's go look around. They got refurbs here and 40% off the back wall. That's what's up. Pretty full. Let's see if we can find something. Trying to check the size 9, 9.5 is really not much. 9, 9.5. Do got these Cosmic Unities, $80, and you get that extra 40 off. That's kind of crazy. Blazers, they're down to freaking $60. Air Max 90s right here, 120 for these right here. And they got little trees and stuff in the back. Okay. Don't really know much about these. So much for finding any refurb size 9.5 for my kiddo. This is just the 9.5 right here. Just that and that. That's it. Holy cow. Guess I'm moving up to the 10.5s. Got some Gore-Tex right here. These go for 120. Normally 2 bills. And look at these, man. I freaking love the people here, dude. Look at this. Look at this. Give us the box top. For some of those that love having box tops. Comforts right here. Comfort 2s. Go for 140. Got these in a size 8 right here. $30. So that brings that down to what? 17 bucks, something like that? I got those at home though. 140 for the Jordan 2s right here. These are 10. 120 for these bad boys right here that we've seen at every outlet. Size 11s. Take 2s right here down to freaking, what is it, $36? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Not really seeing any refurbs here. Kind of disappointing. 135 for these in the size 11. One of the doper dunks right here, size 10. To be able to get these for 40 off, that is pretty fire, dude. These are really nice. I like this. I like this. I don't know what kind of blue this is. Super, super, super dope. What are we talking about? What are we talking about? These are football gray and white. That's definitely not gray. Got Air Max 1s right here. $55? $55? Then you get another 40 off, so that's under 30 bucks. Under $30. Holy cow. Holy cow. Is that mismarked? That's a size 12.5 too. Holy cow. Some of y'all have been asking for pickups. I don't do pickups. Remember, I've been telling you guys I do not do pickups. Don't even bother asking. But this guy does pickups. Yeah. This guy does pickups for people. Show this to your members.
$54. Wow.
So that's what, $30?
Yeah.
$30 after the 40% off, dog? I don't know if you want to show that to your peeps. That's just way too cheap, dog.
Absolutely.
Told Bossco he might want to share that with some of his members and stuff. That's just crazy.
Yeah, this is crazy.
That's crazy cheap. Not much for you guys, Big Feet Gang. Do got Jordan 6 Golf right here, 220. Air Max 97 Be True go for 110. Jordan Lift Flops go for 80. Ooh, this is not bad. GT Hustle 2s down to 70 bucks. Wow, that's hella cheap. And yeah, these have been cheap though. Back in the smaller sizes, I don't really think I found much size 9 and below. But yeah, I do got Jordan 2s. 8.5, I think this is a women's. Yeah, got those. Says retail. Still got these Cosmic Unities right here. Do got Adjust Forces, 170. 10.5 right here, got Jordans, 160. That brings these down under $100. And I think I do see, nah, these are the Infinity runs. I thought these were the Invincible runs. 160 for those, way too much. Terra Kiger size 8 right here, $80. Slightly imperfect, but not bad. Yeah, not seeing much in refurbs, dude. Kind of disappointing. Size 4.5, really. Yeah, not much in refurbs, dude. This is a women's shoe, too. We do got Team Jordans, Team Jordans, Team Jordans, Team Jordans, more Team Jordans. Do got these, 160. These ain't bad, dude. But yeah, more Team Jordans. Do got some retros, Jordan 1 highs, Jordan 1 low OGs. Got some golf ones right here. SE bad boys, color, so awful, material, so fantastic. Center courts, Jordan 2s, couple of those. Do got some LeBron 21s. Just be patient because these will all fall in price. Yeah, 95 for these. One of the next gens right here. Witness 7s, Immortality 2s. We'll actually skip through these pretty quick because we've seen these a gazillion times. They got the KD Trait 510s right here. Got a couple more. Got a white cool gray. And then do got Hyperdunk 2017 lows. Do got some forces, mostly black highs, mostly white highs. I got some all white highs right here. Got some Roshis. They fallen in price. Got some dunks right here. Air Max 2017s. Been seeing these everywhere lately. Alley-oops. SB alley-oops, that is. Another one right here. And then we got a couple more LeBron Next Gens. They're falling. These white ones are clean. Got these Vapor Max mock Roams, which are just weird as hell. One $19.97 for those. Air Pulse Roam, what the hell is this? 2017 black white pure platinum. Deep Royals right here. I think I have these. I gotta grab mine for like 60. Checking the women's clearance section. Do got these right here, which are interesting. Air Force Ones, and these are a Billie Eilish collab. And these, they call them they say they're SPs, so special editions. But yeah, these are a Billie Eilish collab. They don't have the correct box. What's the price? I don't know the price, but you get 40% off. These ain't bad. And dunks in the wrong section for kids. Get 40 off at least. If you need to run Flyknit 3s, if you don't really care about your shoe color and you just want to run, size 10.5 men's, 12 women's, $75. You get 40 off on top. That's under 40 bucks. Some other people say the women's shoes, they tend to be way more narrow. I haven't noticed, because I have quite a few women's models and got them for hella cheap, and I haven't really noticed, to be really honest. And I have wide feet too, and I still haven't had any issues. Got these going for $75, size 12 women's. Size 11, 120 for Air Max 90s right here. Jordan 1 mids, 125. Air Max 90s right here, Nike by BJ. Green glows in the wrong section. These are grade school, 140 for these. Got the women's Jordan 12s right here, the A Ma Maniere. They did hit the back wall. This is just a size 6.5 women, so that's hella small. Guarantee soon as these hit the back wall, everybody grab the hell out of them. 150. Then you get that extra 40% off. I don't know what the hell that is. Wind flows? What the hell am I showing wind flows for? Cortez size 8.5 going for 90. Invincible Run Flyknit 3s. These are super comfortable, super dope shoe. 140. Get that extra 40 off. These are well under 100 bucks. That's what's up. That is what's up. What's these, like $80 or something? Checking out the women's aisles. They've been having the Blazers, Blazer Jumbos right here. Been having them for quite some time. They had these Air Force One platforms for quite some time as well. Got these bad boys, the Shadows. And then got some mids. Got some premiums. And then these dunks. They've had these dunks for quite some time. Air Max Theas. Couple different colorways of those. Air Max 2017s. Got a quartet of these 270s. Black and white right here. Mostly white right here. Light soft pink on these bad boys. Then on the other side, got more Blazers, holy cow. Ton of Blazers. Couple of Roshis right here. Then the Lonely Jordan 1 highs right here. They got these up to size 10, size 12. They got them up to size 12. Price, a little bit high though. They go down a little bit maybe. Didn't forget about the apparel. They do have a 40% off the apparel. They got Dodger shirts right here. Dodger shirts, $40. So they go from pretty expensive to pretty reasonable, 24 bucks. Another one right here, $35. You get that 40 off. Another one right here, you get 40% off, $35. Luca shirts right here go for 25. Got a vest right here, $175. $175 for a vest. What y'all smoking? I'm gonna be honest, the apparel section been way underwhelming lately. Just haven't found too many nice pieces, especially for a great price. That vest, $170 for a vest, kind of crazy. They even have all kinds of random stuff right here, and even this is kind of whatever. $10 for crew socks, so 40% off, so $6. I guess that's not bad. And then they got these going for $8. I don't know. Pretty whatever, dude. Dude got 30% off the older LeBron jerseys. Remember, he back to 23. Is he gonna stay with the Lakers though? Is he gonna stay? I think his agent reported that he's a free agent now. But 85, you do get an extra 30% off. Then almost forgot to check the end caps. Jordan 1 low OGs up there. Got 3 different Jordan 1 highs. And then still got these off-white Air Force Ones. I did show these in the last video. I can't believe they still have these. Holy cow. There's no resale. Like, nobody likes off-whites all of a sudden. What the hell? What the hell? So Bossco did get these for hella cheap. He did grab these Air Max ones. Look at this. They have them right here. They have them right here. I just realized I think they mismarked them. I think they mismarked them because they're going for regular price right here, dude. Ain't that crazy? Yeah, that's crazy. But you definitely got to take advantage of their mistakes. That's what's up. That's what's up. One last thing right here. Look at this. I'm like wearing artwork. That's pretty freaking dope. Pretty freaking dope. Not necessarily happy about the price because it's like what, $40-something, $42. Yeah, maybe it'll go on sale. They got one in black as well. That's pretty dope. Here at Nike Outlet Watts, they do have 40% off the back wall. Quite a few spots been having this. East LA also had it as well. Comes out to some pretty big savings. Look at these. Do got Jordan 1 Comforts right here. $140 for those bad boys. Do get an extra 40 off. Jordan 1 Mids go for $125. Blazers being given away for $60 with that extra 40 off on top. Then of course they got plenty of Jordans on the end cap, as well as these bad boys right here. Do got these mother lovers. Air Force 1 off-whites. Still got these bad boys hanging out right here. And we are out with Bossco. Bossco pretty much stole these.
Yes, sir.
Y'all gonna have to watch. Y'all gonna have to watch the full video. See what he got for free.